Alrighty, as you can see, I got one coat of that engine paint on there, all Chevrolet bright red. Let it dry, shoot it with a coat of clear, come back with another coat. I got the engine wrapped pretty good. Think I did pretty good. Paint not getting where I don't want it to get. So yeah, coming along pretty good for a first timer. Proud of myself. Harris 42 Chevy. Engine gonna be looking real nice. Did a pretty good job by masking it off, I think. Everything is masked off real good. Yep. So yeah, first few minutes of this one. Yeah, it's looking good. I take my time and tinker with it, do it right. Alrighty. Get back to you when it's done. Finished project. Soon. Alrighty. 350 engine looking good. Gonna be looking good under the hood. That's what it's about. Alrighty. Get back with you later, guys. 42 Chevy coming on along. Alrighty.